Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert a footnote in Microsoft Word. Now for that I am going to open up the Microsoft Word here. Now I have this document where only 3 lines are here. Now suppose I want to add a footnote after the subscribe here, okay, or maybe for the word subscribe, then you need to place your cursor at the end of it, okay. So I'm going to place my cursor at the end of the subscribe here. Now what you need to do is from the menu bar you need to click on references. So you can see references option is right here. Click on references. Now on the second option that you see under footnotes, you can see the first one, that is AB1 insert footnote option is coming. You need to click on that one. You can also press Alt Control and F from the keyboard. I'm going to click on this one. Now you can see a little one is coming at the bottom. Now I'm going to zoom in onto this one. Okay, now you can insert this here. Okay, so I have just inserted a footnote here for the word for the subscribe after the subscribe. Now suppose you want to add another footnote, so I'm going to write a line here. Okay, now suppose I'm going to insert a footnote after the tag here. So I will place my cursor here and again I will go to the references tab and I will click on insert footnote, and now it will make it as a second here. Okay, second. Now I will write my channel name, or you can write whatever you want, maybe a definition, something like that for a word. Okay, now you can see 1 and 2 are coming. So this is how you can insert footnote. Now in order to remove it, simply click here just in front of the 2 and simply hit backspace here. It will select the 2 and now you can hit enter, and at the bottom you will see that 2 is gone. So this is how you can insert and remove the footnote from Microsoft Word. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.